Sneaker Fiends, what is going on? It's your host, Chris G, aka Fresher Prince, coming at you from Jordania. Hope you guys are having a blessed and safe day, a productive day. You guys are all inside and just being blessed and being safe. You know what I mean? So today I'm coming at you with a new unboxing. As you can see, I've been eyeballing this pair for a minute. Tried getting them in a few Finish Lines, Foot Lockers, Champ Sports. Ever since the malls have been reopening, but no luck. But I finally just pulled the trigger to get them online. Not too bad of a price, and I feel like this shoe is gonna be worth something in the next couple of years. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Go ahead and get that. Cut your ass. And yeah, man. Let's go and cut this box open. So while I'm getting this box open, hope you guys are being safe. And I guess it's a good chance to tell you guys to go ahead and go follow my TikTok, because I make some lit videos over there. FreshPrinceOfJs on TikTok, all one word. Go follow me. Follow your boy, man. Show me some love. Alright, and here we go. Get that bird's eye view. So you can see size 12. Got that Nike Air in top corner there. Size 12. Air Jordan 5 Retro colorway, true white, fire red black. Go and pull this out the box. Got that Jumpman. Alright. What is this? Okay, right away the guy sent me the receipt. Obviously cut off the part up there. Take his name and address off, which is cool. Go ahead and pull back that trash paper. And there you go, man. Air Jordan Fire Red 5s. And like I said earlier, I think this shoe is gonna go somewhere in the next couple years. I mean, all the OG colorways, especially with that Nike Air on them, they all just blossom, man. For a good example, Cement Force came out in 2016, I believe. I remember I had a pair. Then when I tried selling them, I could not sell them for nothing. A DS pair. And nowadays you look, try to buy them on Go, eBay, wherever you want to go, and they're like 400 plus. So that's why I think, this being a good OG colorway, that these shoes will go up in value over the next few years. So go ahead and cut your pair now, guys, while you still can, for a reasonable price. So I'm sure you guys seen many reviews on this shoe. Got that Nike Air in the back. Got that Air Jordan on the tongue. Got that lace lock with that Nike on it. Jordan Jumpman 3M. Got that icy bottom sole. Got that Nike. And yeah, man, just a clean shoe. Let me go ahead and pull out the other pair here. I don't know why I struggled so hard to get that last shoe out. But I got it. And here we go. Same thing. Yeah, man, just a clean, good, clean, crisp shoe, especially for the summertime coming around the corner. Good shoe to own, man. These are clean in person, man. These are real clean. And like I said, you guys should go cop your pair, because these are gonna go up in value for sure, man. For sure, 100%. And then there you have it, guys. So So like usual, guys, make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Hit that bell for notifications. I cop shoes, or at least try to get shoes, you know, once a week, once every other week. You know, I got some good shoes coming in the mail, so stay tuned. Got some videos coming up. Stay tuned for that, guys. Like I said earlier, make sure you guys are just being safe, productive, living life, man. For all you kids out there who aren't in school, enjoy it. Enjoy it. Trust me, I wish I could be a kid again. And being in school and having these long summer breaks, yeah, man, work sucks. But stay tuned, guys. New videos coming up. And yeah, man. Oh, I'm exhausted. Your boy's exhausted. Until next time, I'm out, guys.